Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. Now disconnect the hoses from the diesel filter. Using a flathead screwdriver, push on the coloured part of the clip of the first two radiator hoses to disconnect them. Tip: push on the hose when you press down the clips. This will help it to come away more easily. Repeat the same process on the second hose. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the central part of the lead, then push on the edge of the lead to free the hose. Once again, with your flathead screwdriver, push on the plastic tab of the electric connector and at the same time, pull on the connector so that it comes free. With a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, remove the two screws that hold the diesel fuel filter. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing, even if they're not fixed in. You can now take off the diesel fuel filter. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. We suggest you watch another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Unscrew the drain located under the filter. You must now separate the filter cover from the cartridge. To do this, turn the central connector to the right. Careful, this will immediately release the fuel contained in the cartridge. Keeping the filter in your hand, use a multi-pit screwdriver and a 15mm Torx socket to unscrew the 3 screws found on the top. Quick tip: when you take them off, put them in a small box so you don't misplace them. Separate the filter cartridge from the cover. Remove the gasket. Clean the cover with a cloth.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Make sure the bleed screw is securely fastened. The new cartridge comes pre-installed with a joint. Make sure you check that the joint from the old cartridge is not stuck to the fuel filter cover. Place the cover back into the new cartridge. Put the 3 holding screws back on the cover. Lock the cover by turning the central connectors clockwise. Install the new filter into its housing. Fix it in place using the 2 fastening screws. Reconnect the electric connector. Reconnect the fuel hoses. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.